Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase product visibility with Etsy step by step clearly. To increase product visibility on Etsy, begin with thorough keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that match your product and target audience. Use tools like Etsy's search bar, Google Keyword Planner, and other SEO resources. Incorporate these keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and tags. Ensure your titles are clear and contain primary keywords at the beginning. Write detailed product descriptions that explain features, benefits, and use cases. Use all available tag options to include a variety of relevant keywords. Next, focus on high-quality product photography. Invest in good lighting and backgrounds to make your products stand out. Showcase your items from multiple angles and include lifestyle images when possible. Enhance your shop's branding to create a cohesive look. Choose an eye-catching banner and use consistent colors and fonts. Update your shop announcement with relevant information and promotions. Regularly evaluate and adjust your pricing strategy. Research competitors to ensure your prices are competitive while maintaining quality. Offer shipping options that appeal to customers, including free shipping if possible. Consider running sales or promotions to attract more buyers. Engage with the Etsy community to increase your visibility. Join teams and forums related to your niche. Interact with other sellers and potential customers through comments and likes. Maximize your social media presence to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Share your products on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Utilize relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and feedback. Respond to customer inquiries promptly to build trust and rapport. Lastly, monitor your shop's performance using Etsy's analytics. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively increase product visibility on Etsy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.